Coming to you from Ripley Tools, today we'll show you the Miller Advanced Fiber Optic Prep Kit. The kit includes a custom case with protective foam and a variety of Miller tools for accessing outer sheath, buffer tubes, and fiber optic cable stripping. The ACS Plus is ideal for accessing armored jackets as well as heavy outer jacketed fiber optic cables. The patent-pending features ensure a stable and quick clamping assembly and adjustable blade to provide ring, longitudinal, even spiral cuts onto the outer sheathing without damaging the cable. The MA04 series of tools are designed to provide mid-span and end stripping of flat drop and round ultra-lightweight fiber-to-the-home cables. The patented feature is an articulating hinge which allows for easy operation and does not need a latch during operation. The harder you pull, the more stable it gets on the cable. The blades are factory set for precise depth of cut for easy and repeatable operation. The FTS is a must for precise damage-free end stripping of loose buffer tube. Simply load the tool and rotate 1 to 2 times around to score the buffer tube. The tube is then easily popped to ensure no blade contact occurred with the fibers for safe access. The patented MSAT-16 is a loose buffer tube shaver for precise midspan access on buffer tubes ranging in diameter from 1 to 3 mm. The tool has a selector knob with an integrated sizing gauge to ensure easy operation and correct setting based on the buffer tube you're working with in the field. The Miller KS1 is the industry-leading Kevlar shear and is designed to cut cabling insulation, tapes, cable ties, and other materials, and of course the toughest aramid yarn with ease. The hardened tool steel blades ensure long life. And no kit is complete without a Miller fiber optic stripper. The FO103 provides industry-leading stripping of fiber optic jackets, 600 and 900 micron buffer, and 250 acrylate coating. The kit's also available with an optional Miller CFS3 stripper. The Miller Advanced Fiber Optic Prep Kit is ideal for any fiber optic technician and offers the Miller quality and design in a complete package. The kit is also available in a ruggedized tool pouch, which provides versatile and tough job site options and plenty of storage opportunities if you want more flexibility than is offered in the hard shell case and foam. Regardless of your needs, a Miller Advanced Fiber Optic Prep Kit gives you application flexibility and the trusted Miller quality and performance.